Henri Fayol, 1841–1925, a French mining engineer and management theorist, is celebrated for his contributions to the principles of management. Fayol's ideas laid the foundation for modern management theory and practice, emphasizing the importance of administrative principles, organizational structure, and managerial functions. Henri Fayol was born in 1841 in Istanbul, Turkey, and later educated in France. He began his career as a mining engineer and eventually rose to the position of managing director at a major French mining company, Compagnie de Commentary for Chambord de Cassaville. Fayol's experiences in managing large-scale operations led him to develop his principles of management, which he later articulated in his influential work, General and Industrial Management, 1916. Division of work. Fayol advocated for the division of work among employees based on specialization and expertise. Specialization enhances efficiency, improves skills, and allows individuals to focus on tasks that align with their strengths. Authority and responsibility. According to Fayol, authority is the right to give orders and the power to exact obedience. Responsibility, on the other hand, involves being accountable for the outcomes of tasks and decisions. Fayol emphasized that authority should be commensurate with responsibility to ensure effective management. 1. Discipline. Discipline refers to the adherence to organizational rules and norms by employees. Fayol stressed the importance of fair discipline to maintain order, consistency, and respect within the organization. Unity of command. Fayol proposed that each employee should receive orders from only one supervisor to avoid confusion, conflicting instructions, and potential inefficiencies. This principle ensures clarity in reporting relationships and accountability. Unity of direction. Unity of direction emphasizes the need for organizational activities to be aligned towards common goals. Fayol argued that unified direction prevents duplication of efforts, minimizes conflicts, and enhances organizational cohesion and efficiency. Subordination of individual interests to the general interest. Fayol advocated for prioritizing the collective goals of the organization over individual interests or personal agendas. This principle fosters teamwork, collaboration, and a shared commitment to organizational success. 1. Remuneration. Fayol recognized the importance of fair and equitable compensation for employees based on factors such as skills, responsibilities, and performance. Competitive salaries and benefits are essential for attracting and retaining talent. Centralization and decentralization. Centralization refers to the concentration of decision-making authority at the top levels of the organization, while decentralization involves delegating decision-making powers to lower levels. Fayol emphasized the need to strike a balance between centralization and decentralization based on organizational needs and circumstances. Scalar chain. The scalar chain principle emphasizes the hierarchical structure of communication and authority within organizations. Fayol advocated for a clear and formal chain of command through which communication flows vertically from top management to frontline employees and vice versa. 1. Order. Order involves arranging resources and activities in an organized manner to promote efficiency and minimize waste. Fayol emphasized the importance of systematic organization, proper allocation of resources, and tidy workspaces to enhance productivity and morale. 1. Equity. Equity refers to fairness and impartiality in dealing with employees and stakeholders. Fayol believed that managers should treat employees justly, provide opportunities for advancement based on merit, and maintain impartiality in decision-making. Stability of tenure of personnel. Fayol recognized the benefits of stable employment relationships for both employees and organizations. Stable tenure reduces turnover, fosters employee loyalty and commitment, and allows employees to develop expertise and contribute effectively to organizational goals. 1. Initiative. Initiative encourages employees to take independent action, demonstrate creativity, and contribute innovative ideas to improve organizational processes and outcomes. Fayol believed that empowering employees to exercise initiative leads to continuous improvement and organizational adaptability. Esprit de corps. Esprit de corps, or team spirit, emphasizes the importance of fostering a positive work environment characterized by mutual trust, camaraderie, and cooperation among employees. Fayol believed that a cohesive team enhances morale, productivity, and organizational effectiveness. Organizational structure. Fayol's principles laid the groundwork for understanding organizational structure, hierarchy, and coordination of activities. His emphasis on division of labor, unity of direction, and scalar chain influenced organizational design and effectiveness. Managerial functions. Fayol identified 5 primary functions of management: planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. These functions provide a comprehensive framework for managerial activities and decision-making processes. Administrative theory. Fayol's administrative theory emphasized the importance of administrative principles, rules, and procedures in guiding managerial behavior and organizational operations. His ideas helped establish management as a distinct profession with its own principles and practices. Practical application. Fayol's principles have been widely adopted by managers and organizations worldwide as practical guidelines for improving managerial effectiveness, enhancing organizational efficiency, and achieving strategic objectives. Simplistic approach. Critics argue that Fayol's principles oversimplify the complexities of organizational dynamics and fail to account for cultural, technological, and environmental factors that influence managerial practices. Bureaucratic tendencies. Some critics suggest that Fayol's principles promote bureaucratic tendencies, such as rigidity, hierarchy, and formalism, which may hinder innovation, agility, and responsiveness in modern organizations. Universal applicability. Critics question the universal applicability of Fayol's principles across diverse industries, organizational sizes, and cultural contexts, arguing that management practices should be tailored to specific organizational needs and environments. Foundation for management education. Fayol's principles continue to serve as a foundational framework in management education and training programs, providing aspiring managers with essential principles and practices for effective leadership. Guidelines for organizational design. Organizations continue to apply Fayol's principles to design hierarchical structures, clarify roles and responsibilities, establish communication channels, and optimize operational efficiency. Integration with modern management practices. Fayol's principles have been integrated with modern management practices, such as strategic management, total quality management, TQM, and lean management, to enhance organizational performance and competitiveness. Emphasis on managerial functions. Fayol's identification of managerial functions, planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling, remains relevant in guiding managerial decision-making, problem-solving, and performance evaluation.